Whoa, look at that! Hey, it copied me!
Yep.
Grr, a challenge?
Whoa, easy boy.
Stop, you're making it worse. I'm turning on the lamp.
It's getting bigger! No!
Stay back! Hide under the table! Come on, boy, get out of there! Yes, got it.
Whoa, look at that! Ah, they're everywhere! This is crazy, but cool! Who's there? I have to be brave. What is that?
Look, boy, the moonlight is coming in. Wow, it's so clear and bright now. Huh? What's that shadow? Oh, Max, it's just you wagging your tail. You're so silly. Good boy, Max. Hee, you're so funny. Let's sit and make some shadow puppets. Wow, a bunny, now a bird. You're the best shadow artist. Hi there, thanks for watching. Woof, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe for more fun. Woof, woof.
All right, you ready?